If you want to change the font size of your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. And over here you will find the option of Font Settings. Just tap on it, and from here you can increase or decrease the font size by swiping the slider to the left or to the right side. Now if you want to increase the font size, just swipe the slider to the right side, and as you can see in the preview, you will increase the font size. Now if we go to the home screen, as you can see, we have increased the font size on our Redmi 15C. Just like that. Now if you want to decrease the font size, just go back to the font settings. Now this time just slide the slider to the left side, and as you can see in the preview, we have decreased the font size. Just like that. And this is how you can change the font size on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.